Friends, welcome to my channel Study Physical Education and Sports Science, also some other activities. Hope all of you are well. As we have completed the discussion on the national and international sports bodies followed by national sports awards. Those who have watched, please share the video with your friends, and those who haven't watched yet, please go to my playlist and watch the video. It will be very interesting and very helpful on your upcoming competitive examination. So today you can see I am going to discuss about ancient and modern Olympic games, and if possible I'll try to also discuss on Commonwealth and Asian games. So please watch the video till end, don't skip the videos, and please, those who are new to my channel, please subscribe the video and click on the bell icon and click on all button so that whenever I will upload any videos you will get the notification soon. So please subscribe and share with your friends, and note it down on your copy whatever I am going to discuss. If you think any important things can be added to these ancient modern Olympic games, ancient and modern Olympic games and Asian and Commonwealth games, you can write below in the comment section. I have just pointed out some important things. So without wasting time, I am starting the discussion. First one is ancient Olympic games. It came into existence in 776 BC in the city of Olympia, which is located in Greece. It is held every 4 years for the honor of god Zeus. Hercules, the son of Zeus, started these games. The game was consisted of 100 at that time, 100, 200, 400 yards wrestling, 100, 200 and 400 yards dash means sprint, wrestling, chariot racing, boxing, javelin throw, etc. Hercules walked in a straight line for 400 strides and called this distance as stadion. Maybe all of we use steady strides. In from where the strides came, the Hercules walked in a straight line for 400 strides, and from that day it is called distance. The distance was called stadion. Now, competitor must be a Greek and physically fit. That time it was some rules. Competitor must be a Greek citizen and a physically fit. Women were not allowed to participate on that ancient times, and 5 days was been given for the games. First day religious function, second day march past and introduction, third day chariot race, horse race, pentathlon, race competition, wrestling and boxing, fourth day athletic events, wrestling and boxing, and fifth day recreational program. The first winners were awarded with the food grains and animals. Later, olive wreath crown made with wild olive leaf. The Rome Emperor Theodosius banned the game in 394 AD. Who banned the game in which year? 394 AD by Theodosius. Now next one is modern Olympic games. What happened in the modern Olympic games? The father of this game is Baron Pierre de Coubertin. Most of you know. It was started in 1896 in Athens. Only 9 countries participated at first time. Now, International Olympic Committee IOC, it was established in 1894. Now, these are some key points. In 1900, which was held in Paris, the first time women participated with inclusion of women events in lawn tennis. And 1928, which was held in Amsterdam, athletics and gymnastic events for women was started. Now, next is Olympic symbols. Some Olympic symbols. Inclusion of icons, flags, symbols used in IOC, that is flame, fanfare, theme. Olympic motto, it was coined by Coubertin in 1894. Citius Altius and 40. Very important, very easy to remember, but very important things. Many of the question come from this topic, means in matching form, or they can give what is the meaning of CTS. CTS means faster, Altius means higher, and 40s means stronger. I can give you a trick, that is, you can remember from the 40s is started from the letter F, and you can the fast CTS, the means the faster is also started the letter F. So 40s and faster. So always remember faster F, the last letter of this Greek word 40 as F, and the meaning actual, the first is F, start from F, faster. So CTS means faster, athletic means higher, and 40s means stronger. And first introduced in the motto, first introduced in 1924 Olympic, which was established in Paris Olympic. Now next one is Olympic flag. It was also coined by Coubertin in 1913. It was coined in 1930 but first hosted in 1920 Antwerp Olympic. Now in Olympic flag there are Olympic ring also very important. Olympic ring, 5 interlocking rings, they are made in a W shape and blue, yellow, black, green, red on a white background. The rings colors are like blue, yellow, black, green, red. You can remember from this, that is B, one second, B, Y, B, G, R, but first B is started from blue. Just remember this. So blue represents the Europe continents, yellow Asia, black Africa, green Australia, and red America. Very important things. Now IOA I have already discussed, established in 1927. First president was Sir Darbarji Jamsetji Tata. IOC was started in 1894 and Demetrius Vikelas was the president first time. Now Olympic flame and torch. First time Olympic flame and torch started in 1936 Berlin Olympic. Olympic mascot first started in 1968 Winter Olympics, which was held in France. First major mascot was Misha, 1980 Summer Olympic Moscow. Olympic oath 1900 in Paris. Summer and Winter Olympics were held up to 1992 in Spain together. After 1992 it was held in every 4 years. First Winter Olympic Games was held in 1924 France. In 2018 it was held in South Korea, and 2022 will be held in Beijing, China. Now I have pointed out some incident, that is one second. Okay, so Summer Olympics 1900 first women participation, 1908 first gold medal was given, 1928 Amsterdam first hockey team played, gold medals won by India, 1948 in London first national anthem was played, 1960 Rome first drug was used, and Mexico, which was the high altitude Olympic stadium, Mexico. Now 1972 in Munich and 1976 in Montreal there was a massacre happened. I am not explaining the massacre, I have just pointed out the year and where it was held. 1916, 1940, 1944 First World War. Due to First World War games were cancelled. Many questions may be asked, then which year or in matching from Olympic was cancelled in which year? 1916, 94, 1940 and 1944. Now you can know 2016 it was 28th Olympic, and 2020 29th Olympic. 2016 Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, 207 countries were participated. In 2020 Tokyo Olympic was supposed to be held in 2020 in Tokyo, but will be hosted in 2021 by the name of 2020 Olympic. 2024, 2028 Summer Olympic will be held in Paris, and 2028 it will be in Los Angeles, USA. Opening ceremony and closing ceremony I am not explaining. Now what happened in Asian Games? In Asian Games I am going to discuss also today in a very quick manner. Asian Games was started by G.D. Sandhi, proposed the idea of Asian Games. Started in 1951 in New Delhi. 1951 New Delhi. 1951 to 1978 regulated by Asian Games Federation. 1951 to 1978 the Asian Games were regulated by Asian Games Federation or AGF. In 1978 onwards regulating by Olympic Council of Asia. Olympic Council, OCA full form, keep in mind. Since 1974 Israel has not taken part. India was the first hosted of Asian Games in 1982. Symbol of Asian Games, a bright full rising sun. Motto was ever onward. It was given by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Torch and flag represented by the Maharaja of Patiala. 2018 it was the 18th Asian Games in Jakarta, Indonesia. Vin Vin Kaka was the mascot. 2022 19th Asian Games will be held in Hangzhou, China, or 2026 it will be held in Nagawa, Japan. Now last one is Commonwealth Game. Commonwealth Game. It was known as very important, very informative. 1930 to 1950 it was known as British Empire Games. 1954 to 1966 British Empire and Commonwealth Games, and 1970 to 1974 British Commonwealth Games, and it is controlled by Commonwealth Games Federation. Very important, CGF, Commonwealth Games Federation. It was first proposed by Astley Cooper in 1891. Though it was started in 1930, but it was first proposed by 1891 by Astley Cooper. First games was started in 1930 in Hamilton. 400 athletes and 11 countries. First Commonwealth Youth Games was started in 2000. 1942 and 1946 Commonwealth Games were cancelled due to the World War II. The Olympic was cancelled in which year? 1916, 1940 and 1944 due to First World War, and here 1942 and 1946 due to Second World War Commonwealth Games were cancelled. Motto of 22nd Commonwealth Games was Humanity, Equality and Destiny. 2018 22nd Commonwealth Games, Gold Coast, Australia. Motto was Share the Dream and mascot was Borobi. And 2022 23rd Commonwealth Games will supposed to be held in Birmingham, England. The mascot name will be Mr. Wood. So maybe it was a lengthy video, but I think it was very informative, and most of you have already noted down the video. So today's topic was Ancient and Modern Olympics, followed by Asian Games and Commonwealth Games. If you like the video, please write comment in the comment section below and share with your friends. Subscribe the channel and watch all the videos by going to my playlist. Thank you all of you. Stay safe, stay at home. Thank you. Have a good day.